Becoming a millionaire by buying and selling cryptocurrencies is a highly ambitious goal that comes with significant risk, and, while some people have achieved considerable profits in the crypto market, it is important to understand that it's a volatile and unpredictable space, and losses can be as rapid as gains. Here's a general guide that might help you approach investing in cryptocurrencies, but it is not a guarantee of success. Educate yourself. Learn as much as possible about blockchain technology, different cryptocurrencies, and how the market operates. Consider online courses, forums, books, and following reputable crypto experts and news sources. Understand the risks. The crypto market is highly volatile and speculative. Never invest money you can't afford to lose, and be aware that significant losses are possible. Create a strategy. Develop a clear investment strategy. Are you planning to day trade, swing trade, or invest long-term? Choose your investments wisely. Investigate different cryptocurrencies, their use cases, teams, technology, and market potential, and don't put all your money into one asset. Diversification can reduce risk. Use reputable exchanges. Choose well-established and reputable exchanges for buying and selling cryptocurrencies. Look for ones with strong security measures. Secure your investments. Consider using a hardware wallet or other secure means to store your cryptocurrencies. Exchanges can be hacked, so storing large amounts of crypto on them can be risky. Stay informed and monitor the market. Keep up with news that might affect the crypto market, including regulations, technological developments, and macroeconomic factors. Consider taxes and regulations. Different countries have varying regulations and tax obligations related to cryptocurrencies. Know when to sell. Set clear goals and exit strategies. Knowing when to take profits or cut losses is essential in volatile markets. Avoid common pitfalls. Stay away from scams, pump and dump schemes, and too good to be true opportunities. Always do your research before investing. Conclusion. While there is potential for profit in the cryptocurrency market, it is fraught with risk and complexity. Becoming a millionaire through crypto trading is far from guaranteed and could lead to significant financial loss.